day 5. And hair's nice and up because today's excursion day. Ooh, son is wanting me this morning. But it's gonna be great. We're gonna be swimming with the dolphins, the sea lions, manatee, and we're gonna go on a boat ride to go snorkeling. So we have an action-packed filled morning. We're about to grab the little breakfast that we can get because our ride comes in like 30 minutes. Khalil, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
You ready? All right, I'm gonna save some juice for when we actually do the fun stuff. All right, see you when we get there. A different experience. Hi, just my lifestyle. Nice. Hey guys.
This thing going in the water right
now. Okay.
Attention,
You have a vest, Mom. The
We're gonna need help to bring to the other side though.
the vest can flip upside down.
Mine.
Hold on to the railings.
Nice. Nice. Look at this handsome guy over there. Hey, handsome. ¿Cómo está?
Excelente, ¿y usted?
Oh, muy excelente.
¿Habla español?
Un poquito.
Muy bien.
Gracias.
Adelante, bienvenido.
Gracias. I'm getting special treatment with this dress today. I got us a ride. I mean, So many ceviches. Technically, we have private dining. No, don't drop it.
Hello. Sorry. Hello. Hello. Katie. How are you? Hello. You hang up the call on me? You hang up the call on me? Look, it's all the way on the ground. What do you want out of the menu? What would you like to order next? What do you want?
She really talking too.
Like some fish?
Tis the last night. Friday night. Day 5, right? No, day 6? I think it's, I don't know what day it is. Wait, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Day 6. Oh my goodness, it's day 6. And then we go back to reality come tomorrow evening. Definitely not looking for that. Looking forward to that. Today, breakfast, potentially going out to shop, and I guess we'll see where we go from here. And definitely catch some of this beach life or pool life before we go. But all along. So the way the sun is beaming right now is absolutely perfection. This is the best sun I've had. But just wanted to show you guys just some of the views-ish before going to breakfast. Little kittens. So I'm trying to catch the sunlight as much as possible to be able to speak with you guys, because I know that later on when I come back it'll be a little darker. I should be actually heading to the lobby as we speak because we're getting our ride to go into the shopping area. So I'm gonna go ahead and go do that. But I did just want to kind of come to you again and just say hi. And I want to do like a packing situation for you guys so you can see what I've packed to head over here and where I got things from, because I feel like that's most important in terms of traveling out of the country. So I will do that for sure, hopefully as much daylight as I can get. If not today, definitely tomorrow morning before I leave. So just wanted to let you know that before I signed off so that I know I don't forget it. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Wow. I think you messed up the hat. Wow. It's a video. I cannot. Wow, 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 wow. So nice. So nice. I like this mug.
I like that too. Oh my God.
Watch out, mommy. Move. Stephanie, you're in the shot.
Yeah, what was solar down pretty close.
What is going on here? Oh, 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 music video. Oh, oh, oh.
Perfect.
Y'all a trip. Whoa, wow, wow. Get it. My goodness. Ouch. Yeah, stretch it. Lunges. What? 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 Hey, hi, hop it. Ooh, don't drop it. And the model. Okay, go. Oh, pose. Oh. Ah! Get it, daddy, get it, daddy, get it. Get it, daddy, get it, daddy, get it. Wow, wow. And so it all comes to an end. That's it. So long. I gotta get downstairs before I get in trouble. Alright, so we're on our way to the spa this morning. Oh my goodness, guys. My massage was amazing. So good. And so now I'm just heading back to the room to grab my bag that I'm carrying on and to get ready to wait for us to get picked up by our transportation to head to the airport. So this is it, y'all. Our week-long trip in Riviera Maya, Mexico, turned out to be a success. Even with as big a group as we were, 11 people, 11 people. So, yeah. I will see you in a bit.
I heard poisson too. And everybody got their pippin.
Can't hold your papers.
Everybody got their pippin.
Coméntalo. Ya están todos a bordo.
Deuces. Claudia flying. I don't see Dad. I see Kettler. I don't see Dad. Hello.